Hey Ram 1500 owners, Yuri from Blau Parts here. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to change the interior cabin air filter on a 2019 Ram 1500. This is going to apply to all 2016 and newer 4th and 5th generation Ram 1500 models. Begin by accessing the glove box located on the passenger side of the vehicle. Next, disengage the damper cord located on the right side of the glove box. Slightly lift the glove box while at the same time firmly pulling down on the base of the damper cord linkage until you see and feel it disengage. Once released, allow the cord to retract. Next, compress the two tabs located on the top, back corners of the glove box. While compressing the tabs, pull out on the glove box, allowing it to lower. Continue lowering the glove box and allow the 3 hinge tabs at the bottom to be released. Once released, place the glove box out of the work area. Next, remove the cabin air filter cover by pressing and releasing the 2 locking tabs located on each side of the cover. At the same time, pull the cover in an outward direction. Next, remove the old interior cabin filter. Also inspect the cabin filter housing area for any debris and remove as needed. Begin installing the new cabin filter by sliding the filter into the filter housing, confirming that the airflow direction of the new filter is pointing down during installation. Next, reinstall the cabin filter housing cover with the airflow direction pointing down. Align the cover and the 2 outside mounting tabs, pressing the cover against the housing until you hear and feel the tabs click or lock in place. Next, reinstall the glove box by aligning and inserting the 3 lower glove box hinge tabs into the dash. As you tip the glove box up, pull out the damper cord while at the same time relieving pressure from the 2 tabs located on the back side of the glove box. Next, reinstall the damper cord linkage until you feel it click or lock in place. Last, place the contents back into the glove box, confirming that it closes and latches correctly. So that is a quick overview on how to change the cabin filter on a 2016 and newer 4th or 5th generation Ram 1500. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to our channel. Also, if you're interested in learning how to perform some more preventative maintenance or scheduled maintenance on your Ram 1500, you can check out our blog by visiting our website at blauparts.com. Thanks for watching.